llévale despacio para que se pueda tomar bien. Alright, so basically after you take them all off, you have 2 pinpoints from here and here. A little point, a little flex. And you put 2 screws on it to push it out. And then you want to do it a little bit at a time so I can push it out evenly. And you want to wiggle it out.
One gasket. One gasket. The wall plate. One. 10 for those 3 deals.
So it has 1 gasket right in the back, and then you have the wear plate, and then in total all these are 9 gaskets. So
Okay, yes, sir.
for this gasket in the back and these will be 10 gaskets in total. Gears out, you pull them out, and then you put them down.
¿Quieres quitarla toda? ¿Desarmarla toda?
Sí. Do you want to take the whole thing apart after this, or just the gears inside?
Let's just do the whole thing.
Okay. So we're gonna switch over to this side.
Okay.
Take that off too.
I got you. Sure, why not? Let's
Okay.
go for the whole thing.
Okay. You start already?
Yeah.
Okay. So you start off by taking the top and the bottom screw, which is a 7/16. And then with the steel pin, you're gonna just put it on here and take it off. Están aquí son los 916, ¿verdad?
Sure.
And then for side measures, for these, they're gonna be 916.
Okay.
Usted lleva 3 gastos.
So in here, there's 3 gaskets.
Ok, me va a quitar la tapa.
Okay. So, ¿pero nomás todo bien putazo o tiene uno?
Sí, le puedo quitar todo. Una vez, ¿no? ¿O quieres que le quite esto también?
You want to take that off too?
Sure, let's do everything.
Yeah, que hagamos todo. ¿Qué llave es para cuidarlo? We try to get the T-side and everything for you.
Gotcha. Thank you guys. I appreciate this.
1160.
Only 916. Oh, 1116.
1160.
¿Eso qué llave es?
Es 716. Este es el mismo de este y de este. Estos dos. Son
Let's see, maybe we're gonna need 716 too.
estos tres.
Okay.
Ahora va este.
So you're gonna take all those bolts out.
Gotcha.
Ahora vamos a agarrar un morrito, el morro este. Este lo voy a pegar, lo vas a agarrar de aquí porque, para que vaya. Lo tengo que pegar porque salga por allá. Okay.
So,
No hay nada con que pucharlo.
so on this side, there's nothing to push it out with. So you're gonna grab like a hammer or a mallet, steel mallet, and then push it out. You're gonna be holding it on this side, but you hammer out.
Okay. Gotcha.
Agárralo. Esta tiene un gasket. One gasket.
So this has a gasket, wear plate,
Wear plate.
and another gasket.
Another gasket. Two gaskets, one gasket.
You want to put it back together?
All right, we're good. We're live. Let's go.
Cool. So whenever you put it back together, you always start on the long side of the pump, never on the short side. And when the pump is always gonna have, the long sides don't have one gasket, the wear plate, and then another gasket. And then you put the little holes by the side the screws on, and you put it in.
A poner nomás los dos de uno de abajo y uno de arriba.
And then whenever you first start it off, you're gonna put one on the top and one on the bottom. Too.
Ahí va. Y lo va a agarrar. Sí.
You're gonna put one hand at the bottom, one on the top. And you give it a couple of taps to start it off. Then you put all of the bolts in by hand.
Y lo va a hacer cruzado cuando vaya a apretarlo. Okay.
And then you do
Primero.
a crisscross pattern. Or a
tiempo con esta, se le va a dar una checada, una apretada.
Then after you, ¿cuál es? ¿No?
La 966.
And then with the wrench, you double check it by hand after you do it with the drill.
Vamos a ir para atrás.
And we're gonna switch over to the other side.
Gotcha.
Oh, okay.
El shop. Hay uno que te da 2.5, el otro no te da 2.5.
So whenever you check on your short shaft, you might want to get this because you put it. Whenever you want to make sure that it's 2.5. 2.5, eh?
Yeah.
The side that measures 2.5 is the side that goes out. Está afuera, ¿verdad? So again, remember this one is 2.5 out. Then you can start with the top one. ¿Puedes dejarle de los gases con esto?
Sí.
So whenever you're putting it back together, the short side is going to have one gasket, then your wear plate. Aquí que son 9, and then it's going to be 9 gaskets.
¿Quiere que le quite de uno por uno o así?
Do you want to do one by one, or do you want to just put it?
Oh, we're good.
No question ever. You have this, ¿ya se pone normal, verdad?
Sí.
And it's going to be the same. After you put your 9 gaskets, you're going to put some 2 bolts and start it off. That's the other side.
Dos, uno arriba y uno abajo.
And then push it in. The other side you're going to hammer, give it a couple taps, top, left, and then bottom. It's going to be the same thing every time.
Una apretada.
Maybe the same thing, do it by hand. Trying to grind or? Better? You can grind, right?
Yeah. You're gonna mute the whole thing and then just put a AI over it.
Okay. After you tighten them all down, your nut, your nut goes nuts.
Dime la llave.
put the nut back, always keep in mind that you want your bolt facing the straight. You're facing a line with the top bolt.
Okay.
So your hole for your 16 bolt. Get the loop.
I see.
It's not 7/16 bolt, it's a 7/16 piece.
Gotcha.
Y va uno arriba y uno abajo.
We're gonna do one on top and one at the bottom.
Eso no le pueden apretar mucho, porque si lo aprietan lo van a quebrar.
This one, whenever you tighten it down, don't over tighten because it will break.
Okay.
So you want to do it just like la mano, ¿verdad? Just by hand, like you can do it.
Yeah.
Don't over tighten. And that's very important because if not, you'll break it in here. You have to get it in the
Gotcha.
Donde sientes que ahí llegó hasta ahí.
Once you feel like it tightens up, don't leave it as is.
Is that the same with the bottom one?
Yes, same thing.
Es una grasera. Eso va aquí es un 90.
So it has a grease plug, a 90 grease plug, and you plug it in at the bottom.
Siempre tiene que quedar por acá, porque aquí es donde entra la línea de la grasa.
Whenever you put this one back, you always want it facing towards the left. So that's where the grease hose plugs in.
Siempre queda así. No va a quedar derecha, pero sí poquito, como poquito para encima.
On the machines that already have it, they're already 90. They're not these grease hoods. So they're 90 plug-ins. I put that one back there.
The 1116.
The 11/16 piece. Take a chest of it.
Y este tiene que quedar así derecho por acá.
And this one you always want it to face towards the left.
Gotcha.
¿Ven? Le vamos a poner la polea y la vamos a dar vuelta.
You want to put the wheel on it if they have it? No, it's not porque no.
No. Ahí está.
Normally you want to check it, double check it with this.
Yeah.
They don't have to do that because it's not good.
Okay. So we're all good?
We're all good.